A moment later, and Adam has been to the shop. To an art and craft shop. Well, the art department, Stoke Limited, he's been to get Polycraft chromatic alginate. Lots of it. Take 2. We'll see if this actually works better than the Willy one. The Willy one. Right, so definitely got enough water.
Yes, yeah, there's enough water. Yeah.
Adam's measured the water out.
Yeah. Take the.
Oh yeah.
Do you want a big spoon?
Yeah. Spoon, okay. Right. And this is quite inexpensive, really.
Yeah, it's $9.99.
Oh my god, look at the colour.
Does that go purple?
Yeah.
That's like your hair and your nails. Said something about chromatic.
Yeah, so it changes colour. She was saying on the phone it changes colour. Right, get the pot ready. You sure there's enough water? Right, let's do it. Shall we do it, yeah? Think, yeah?
Yeah.
No, I don't want Jen to do it anymore. Right, move your hand. We'll pour it in. I'm very paranoid about being quick at the minute. Place your hand in. So I wonder if it changes colour. Is it getting slowly lighter? Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you alright there? Can you keep steady?
Yeah.
Can you feel it setting?
Yeah.
Your fingers
Don't
aren't
push it
touching.
down. No, it's not touching, but if you push it down, it will.
Your fingers aren't touching together.
No.
There's definitely a gap between your fingers.
Yeah.
No pressure. Well, what does it say how long?
No.
Oh, it's setting. It's setting.
Yeah, it's setting on the top, but maybe it's not in the middle, so just behave.
I think maybe we mix a little bit more and go higher on a hand.
Well, you want to put more in now?
Yeah. Because you've got a gap here. I want to go up to a knuckles. It's really difficult to stir because it's so wet. Do you know what I mean? Sorry. Oh, splashed it. Sorry, go on. Be an A model, she said. It'll be fun.
Be an A model. It'll be fun. You've got it all over you.
Have I?
Powder.
Oh, that's just usual.
Yeah.
It's good how it changes colour, isn't it?
You could make the dildo one like that, wouldn't you? So you'd know, because men are a bit thick, aren't they? Look, it's gone white! Not, I'm going to take it out now.
You're right there.
Mm.
It's got a bit of white on your face.
Really? What is it like? Botox? DIY Botox or something? Do some across the ear.
Stand up if you want, you know.
Got me hold your arm now.
Oh, God, it's better. Too hot for this. Wait.
She just likes messing. Stop it.
I think it's done. I don't think it is. You don't think it is?
It's not the top bit now.
You can be able to get your hand out, aren't you?
I don't know. Don't want to rip it out because then you might damage
Ruin.
the bottom bit.
Mm.
If it goes wrong, don't blame me.
I've already told
I
you.
decided to disclaim it. Ooh, ooh.
What?
Really funny feeling in my hands.
Not nice.
Don't know about that.
Well, if you loosen the skin
Right.
around
I
it,
think that's what it was. I think it was you loosening the skin, yeah.
I think we can do this now. And
Oh, I'm
slowly.
treading there. And then, yeah, right, come in.
Can you do it? Do you want me help you? Just
Yeah, I could do the helping me. I don't want to rip it out and then ruin it.
What? What's the matter?
Go back down. Squish this to the side. It's like a thin layer that's coming off.
I'm still lifting. Or not?
You have to lift out this bit here.
Yeah.
Can you get it out? That bit. Oh my god. Zoom in. I don't know what that bit is there. bit of
The chocolates.
bit of chocky there. She's saving for Ron. Later on. There is lots of bubbles in there though.
Well, what do you want to do? Sit and look at it all day?
Right, so this is the backup plan. Because I can see bubbles, I just want to just try another method and we'll see which one works best. So we have this tin and then I've sort of squished the tin a bit so it's a better shape for a hand, if you get what I mean. Just pop your hand in there just so I can touch the bottom, right, and then come up a little bit, right there. There you are. We need like a big marker pen. We'll just draw a big one. Right, so, okay, let's go for it now. So this is take 3. Just want to see if this mould is better than the other mould. And what I've done is I've got 2 forks. And I'm going to put them back to back like this. And I just thought, well, it'll make like a little whisk. It'll like break up the pieces a bit. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Make it a bit thinner. It smells like cheap PVA glue. And I want to try and get it thinner, like smoother, without splashing it all over Dawn.
Again.
Again.
Oh, put it in. No, put it in the thing.
In here. Squish it in. Brill. It's a fine old mess you've got me into here, Rodney. I think we poured a bit of that in there. Don't you think?
A spoon. Oh God! Stop.
Just a bit. It's where. Oh, it's going now. Look. Yeah.
10 years later.
I'm not impressed, I aren't. I'm not impressed. I want to do this and it just be absolutely perfect. And it's not. I'm just not impressed. How can everybody else do it so well? Shall I stick to nails?
I won't.
It's ever so strange, isn't it? I quite like it and I would like to play with it and do other things with it. Right, I think we can do this now.
Alright.
Don't you think? Yeah?
Just move it, yeah.
Has it got like a bit of a suction? Like a vacuum?
There we go. Have to wait till, like you say, the suction.
There's no chocolate on this one.
Can you get it out? I'll hold it, you pull. Yeah, let me have it this time.
Right, so I don't know which one to use.
Which one do you think requires less?
I think I'm going to use this one.
Okay.
Because I think the fingers are slightly further apart. On this one. But is that a good thing or a bad thing? I need to shine a light.
Ha!
Oh, I can see that the nails look lovely in there. There is a bit of lumpage. Yeah, there is a bit of lumpage. Is there lumpage on this one? Not so much lumpage.
Do one. If you've got any left over, you could pull the rest in the other one because you're not losing anything, are you?
No,
I
you
don't think
can
that'd
just
be
get a
anything.
finger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there's too many. If you look at this, you see them lumps there.
Ah, yeah.
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 Whereas this one,
Yeah.
see what I mean?
All my wrinkles of my hand then, isn't it?
Yeah. So back to the Clona Willy. Right, so we want them in first. Dawn, can you hold that there while that dribbles out?
Yeah.
And I'll empty that one. It's like the when you get your Nutella pot and you've got to get every last bit out of the pot. Or even butter, and you're like, there's no butter left. Oh, there is. There's plenty in there. It'll do another round of toast, that will. Let's mixy. Okay.
Very slowly.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Get the other hand mould. Might be able to do a finger. Tilt me this towards you. Tilt it towards you a little bit. This one. Yeah. About, I think. Hold on. Come on. Which finger shall we do? Tap me that on the so like go like here.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry.
Headphones.
This one.
Yeah. Right, what we're going to do now is rest these somewhere
On an angle.
on a slight angle.
Right.
It looks like we've done a love heart here. I wonder if you chop your hand off at a certain point, you have like a love heart on the end of your hand. While we let them set, I'm going to put them aside, rest them somewhere so I don't keep playing with them and poking and prodding them and checking if they set. And I'll do some nails on Dawn so you can check that out in the next video. See you later, guys.